Woo. What up, y'all? We back. It's Memorial Day. 610 was like, hey, we out. I was like, oh, we outside. I was totally gonna edit, but this sounds so much more fun. So it's really nice out too. Maybe something's wrong with his bike. I want an FC so bad. Yo, dude, this set right here, you guys see this? It's on Apple Music, but it's also on YouTube too, right? This has literally been my my anthem, like damn near every day. Subfocus, Culture Shock, Dimension, and 1991. Like literally 4 banging ass DJs. Yeah, miss it, man. I don't know, man. Like I'm not gonna say I want it because that's a need. At this point, I just every time I see it, I fall apart, and that's when you know you want the right bike, man. Damn, he aggressively threw that back there to 12. And it's like pretty bumpy here. Ah, I love the sound. I am just totally persuading myself to buy another FC. A puff of black smoke comes out the bike. Holy shit. Whole fender's gone. Like he's gotta really go back to scrape like 3 o'clock. Oh, he's got the foot up. I'm not flexible enough for that. Holy shit, did his foot just touch his chain? Dude. Hell yeah. Oh damn, drop the leg. Oh shit! Ah, I wanna learn that! That was nice though. I gotta learn that knee knocker with my knee on the seat rather than my shin. Oh, it's such a nice day out, man. Like perfect weather. Tad bit on the hotter side, but it feels good. Three in a row, baby. Oh shit. He's locking way under. I like the purple too. Purple wheels are sexy. Oh, a little no hand. Dude, I don't know. I got so much to learn. It's awesome. sounds so good in here. I like with my heel on the pedal. That bus ain't stopping and I'm not testing them. Oh, that's awesome. That's even more awesome. That is awesome. Like, I want to know how to do that. Imagine coming to the city and you're a tourist from another country and you just see this. Oh my gosh, the bicycle, don't die! Oh my gosh! What the fuck? Do you see that?
Let's go!
I wonder who built this building. Who the fuck thought that? There we go. They built a building, right? And there's like these cool designs at the top of the pillars. And there's like little statues at the top as well. And how do they transport the pillars? I get it, like the blocks, yeah. But like the pillars? Like maybe they're slabs. Or maybe they just brought the whole pillar on a big ass 18-wheeler truck. But did they have 18-wheeler trucks back when they built this? I don't know. He put his hand on the exhaust. That is a classic like trick. If you want to fuck with somebody that's not paying attention, just put your hand on the exhaust. You'll be alright. You won't die as long as they're not shooting flames. Ascend it. No AirPods. We listen into the sweet sound of all these clutch ups. Oh yeah, I'm not in gear. Yes. That's so awesome. Nice. Nice. Little burner action. Oh, she's fucking it up! Oh! so good here. This is like prime cookout. Nostalgic smell going on in my nose. You want to get a dirt bike? You want to start learning how to wheelie? That's what's up. You too? That's what's up. Give me some. I like your shirt too. Damn, boy, they got the setup. That shit probably slamming. I'm getting a little bit of confidence in the pack, kinda. I still need my space, you know what I mean? Like, I need my little personal bubble. And if I could like wheelie in a lot and go wheelie in first gear, like technically I can just put it in first and go back to second and just play around in second. I still gotta get some more control. Pick the hardest fucking bike to wheelie on. Get on a bike that's like semi-decent and it's like, ooh, like you can make your experience a lot quicker. I had the understanding of what to do, but I made it so much more tough on myself by not providing myself with the right resource. And now that I'm on the right bike, like you see, like my progress is like stepping up. Yeah! On the ground! Dude, I can't even wheelie a Grom by myself, so I'm actually really impressed. That's fucking awesome. Is that the Grom backfire? We're just staring into the abyss, and then I just heard some go by. I'm like, oh, completely broke my neck and broke my attention. Oh, we got the boost in the pack with us now. ZX10 too? ZX12? ZX14. What am I saying? ZX10. ZX12. Does my brain know words? I mean numbers? Damn, dude, what the fuck? My brain just like, nah, I'm not gonna work right now. For 3, baby. I get a little downhill, I get really excited. It's less distance to travel to scrape, so I get pumped. I'm like, ah, I can drag it longer. A wee bit windy here. Feels good. He's really rocking it with it on the back, on the ground, like. Oh my gosh! That's so cool. Hello. Shit goes so far, and 95's right above us. Wait, look at all those shoes. Holy shit! I don't know which way I need to go. That is the... Oh, I do. I need to bust this Yui right here. Oh, hey, officer. is why we ride bikes. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, I got a dirt bike. My bars are a little wider than usual now. I don't got like complete trust, but like I might smack one of y'all mirrors. Hey, you got a green light, bud. Woo! Come on. I like pushed my hips over and the bike was like, and I was like, no. I didn't mean to do all that.